Let's make some candied orange peels today. All right, let's candy some oranges. I've got some navel oranges here, and I'm gonna be using 7, 8 oranges. First, you just chop the ends off and quarter these guys up. I like to use a Santoku knife when doing more delicate knife work. Now we're gonna remove the fleshy bits, not worrying too much about the remnants left over. All of that will get boiled away through the many processes. Knife work like this is so meditative. Just zone out for a bit. And you can save your oranges for a different use. Just put them in the most remotely clean thing you have around, like the springform pan. Switching over to my big boy chef's knife, I'm gonna start julienning these oranges while trying to think of a use for the actual oranges. Now we're gonna boil this 3 times. This is just gonna help blanch it, remove some astringency, and also be one of those moments where you can really appreciate citrus season because everything is gonna smell wonderful. Starting with cold water, we're gonna boil these, kill the heat, put it in cold water, rinse, repeat 3 times until we move on to the actual sugar syrup long boil. Once blanching land is in our rearview mirror, we're gonna go on to creating our simple syrup. 50-50 blend of sugar and water. Once at a rolling boil, let's add our blanched orange peels, getting rid of a little piece of stem we just found. And here we go, boil away. So we're gonna roll for 60 minutes on this until they start turning translucent. Once they do, we can drain them into a bowl while pondering how oranges can stick to the bottom in liquid. Last step, toss with sugar, make sure they don't stick together. Once these have dried out for a day or 2, they can be stored in an airtight container for up to 6 months or a year. Once holiday season comes around, you'll be thankful they do, as long as you haven't snacked them all away by then. And you can preserve... And you can save your oranges for later.